Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Busy Pandas. This is a kids subscription box. Each box contains 3 to 4 DIY activities for kids ages 4 to 9. And it's based on different educational areas of development. And there's a sticker on here that says modes of transportation. So I'm hoping that that's the theme. See right there?
Transportation.
Jackson's here with me. So this box was made out for him. Cute little letter on top. We'll see what that says. Hi Jackson, let me introduce myself. I'm Coco. I'd love to be your friend. Each month I'll be sending you a box in your mail full of exciting new activities and fun things to do, to explore. Lots of new things, read and learn. Some things might be easy, some might be funny and goofy, some might be a little hard in the beginning, but don't give up. You're so smart and you will understand it in no time. Every month we will explore a new topic with lots of new activities and fun facts, and I promise you we're going to have so much fun together. Tell your friends and family all this cool, awesome stuff that you are learning, and they'll be super proud of you. Okay, let's get started. Cute. Oh, and you could even write back to Coco and tell you how they like the box. How cute.
How does she know I'm smart?
Because I told her. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside.
Okay.
So, learning goals. So we have skills, secondary skills, primary skills, domain and concept, arts, craft, math, problem solving, fine motor skills, all sorts of different things on there. Stuff is checked. Activity 1, play with tangrams. Tangrams? I don't know if I said that right, but I know what those are. I remember playing with those. Traffic symbols, create your own sailboat, guess who I am book. So that's pretty cool.
I think the sailboat won't be hard.
You think? I don't think so. I think you'll be okay. So here's our activity guide, modes of transportation. Tell you what's included up here, the steps. Oh, okay, so we're gonna, oh, did it come with the little, yeah, it did, the little tape that looks like a road. That's cool. So we're gonna make a little road and put our little vehicles out there. This is the boat activity. So it looks like you had to make it, paint it, all that fun stuff. There's a worksheet. What else we got? Worksheet number 2 and 3, some little activities. Guess who I am. So this is a book to read. That's cute. And then we have the activities, and they're all in individual bags, little Ziploc bags. So this one's the modes of transportation, about learning about traffic signals. So that comes with all the little signs. Oh, little sticks, that's cute. We also have some Play-Doh, a wooden car, another wooden car, and some little tape. This stuff's cool. The next bag are the little tangrams. Again, probably saying that wrong. So we have little cards that tell you what designs to make, the little flashcards, and then the shapes in here to make it. He actually just had a game like this at my grandma's house, or his grandma's house rather, and we were missing some of the shapes, so we couldn't make the stuff. So now he can make them. Just different colored pieces of wood. I liked those. I remember doing that in school. So we got a bunch of those. That's really good for him. And the last bag is the sailboat. These are really nice reusable bags too. So we have some paint and a paintbrush so that we can decorate. And the styrofoam is already shaped. So that's easy. Make sure I got everything out of there. And this, I guess you can use to make the little sailboat. Little thing to put them on. And make the sails with it. Very cool. I think you'll like that. Do you think you'll like that?
Yeah.
I think you would. You like painting. He's really into like crafty stuff now, so that's pretty cool. So we got those 3 activities where we can make different things. We got a little book to read. All sorts of stuff in our activity guide. And looking at the little chart again, up top it does list all the different activities, and then it goes through and puts a check mark next to the different concepts. So arts and crafts, math, engineering, decision making, all different things on there. That's really cool. I like that. So that is awesome. If you guys would like to sign up for a box, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.